Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos masala at home. Start by gathering crisp nachos, chopped tomatoes, onions, cilantro, green chilies, and taco or chili powder. Prepare a quick masala with oil, cumin, garam masala, and tomato paste, then mix with lime juice and salt. Toss hot chips gently so they stay crunchy, sprinkle cheese, and broil briefly for melting. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Gathering ingredients makes the process smooth and stress-free. Choose firm, oven-safe tortilla chips and grate cheese ahead of time for quick melting. Chop tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and green chilies to similar sizes for even flavor distribution. Measure spices like cumin, chili powder, and garam masala in advance so the masala cooks quickly. Keep lime and salt nearby for tasting. This prep ensures fast assembly. Assemble nachos masala on a single layer to preserve crispness and ensure even topping coverage. Spoon warm masala across chips sparingly so they stay crunchy, then add a generous, even layer of grated cheese and optional beans or corn. Use a hot broiler for 1 to 3 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges crisp. Finish with cilantro, lime squeeze, and a sprinkle of chopped masala if you like. Serve instantly for best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.